this was gonna be
You can assist me.
this was gonna be simple.
Take a picture of it.
Alright. So these are signals, right? This is the common. The white one is always the common. Then you tend to forget it has a manual in the box, but it's always black, brown, red. Black, brown, red, and orange. Black will be signal 1, brown will be signal 2, red will be signal 3, orange will be signal 4. There's more signals also, as you can tell. So depending on how many signals you want. So like this one, the way it was connected, black and brown, signal 1 and 2, they used to get 4 chemicals. Now they only get 3. So 1 and 2 was connected, and then, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna connect black, then brown to signal 2, which is gonna be red, and orange is gonna be my red, because I'm not gonna use all 4 like here it has, because it's not using signal 2 here. So we only got 3 chemicals. See, I'm working.
No, you can come.
This one will be pretty fast and easy because it's already connected for you. You just gotta connect it. Every machine is different. We go open this one and we can check like the wire connections there. Yeah, the white one's always the common.
Every single one?
Huh?
Every single one?
Every single one. The V-line, the Atlas, even the night. You're not gonna see a lot nights. But like you haven't seen them, right? Called night. Those are old. Yeah, I mean, I guess I don't gotta tell you guys. I always make sure the machine is all right. Things like this, I'll do it one by one. Or if you want to take a picture, one by one, so you won't mess them up, and then